In this video, we will show you how to replace your fuel door bumper. On this Chevy Tahoe, you'll find this located inside of your fuel door hatch. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Go ahead and open up your fuel door. Locate your original fuel door bumper. Go ahead and take hold of that, give it a little wiggle, and remove it from the body of the vehicle. There it is, friends. Let's get ready for installation of our fuel door bumper. We'll take this and slide it into position. Press it in as far as you can. Give it a little wiggle to make sure it's completely secured. Close your fuel door. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.